I have found the latest secret to the Rubik's Cube. I have an algorithm that will always work. The algorithm is RFF, BRF, R the counterclockwise, R counterclockwise B, U, F counterclockwise B, F, R counterclockwise F, counterclockwise U, R. So I'm going to do R, F, F, R, B, R, F, counterclockwise R, counterclockwise B, U, F, counterclockwise B, another F, an R, then counterclockwise F, then a counterclockwise U, then an R. See that? You solved the full Rubik's Cube. It's the latest secret to the Rubik's Cube.